Hello, it's Dawn here from Dawn's Inspirations. I wanted to share this with you. I'm not going to call it a super cute mini because it's not mini. This is 7.5 inches by 5.5 inches by 2.25 inches. This is an album, okay? So this is my 3-page interactive album. I first filmed this as a mini book over 11.5 years ago, and here is my original book. So you can see they stand very nicely together, and that's the nice thing about them. But this is the new and improved. Technology has come a long way. You've got all the interaction that the original had, but with the new and improved version, you've got my new and improved way of doing the covers. So even though we've used 240 GSM cardstock to do the cover, you're not going to have any splitting or cracking. It's going to look so professional. You are going to love it. Plus we've got my cantilever hinge system as well. So it sits nicely in the book. In the book itself, you've got it all looking nice and professional. That's what this is about. But you've got all that interaction like you have in the 3-page mini that I made all those years ago. As I say, I've broken it down into smaller videos, so you don't have to forward and rewind and go back again. You can look at it step by step. I construct this in real time with you, step by step in real time, every step of the way. And then right at the end, I go off camera, add all my little extra embellishments, and then I'm going to come back and give you a walkthrough so you can see how to decorate yours. It gives you some ideas how to do that, and then you can choose how to do it. I've upgraded the cutting and scoring guide as well, so you've got all that updated to make it a lot easier for you to follow. But it's a great little mini. I'm not going to call it a mini, it's a book. This is an album, it's a book, plenty of space for your 6x4 photographs. This is what this is all about. It's not a mini album, this is bigger than that. You've got plenty of space to add your 6x4 photographs, no problems at all. That's what this is about. But you've got all the little quirky little bits of interaction going on here, created from the card blanks and envelopes. So if you'd like to join in with the online workshop, I will leave the link below. So this is Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations, and this is my new and updated 3-page interactive album.